Fish are found across the globe in rivers, seas, lakes, and oceans. There are over 24,000 species of fish, with new ones always being discovered. Although fish can be found in saltwater, such as seas and oceans, and also freshwater, such as rivers and lakes, they are usually not found in water that is extremely salty. There are some things that all fish have in common. They are all vertebrates and have a spine or backbone. They are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature changes depending on the temperature around them. They generally breathe through gills and have fins. Most fish are also usually covered in scales. Fish generally swim sideways, using their fins for balancing, steering, and stopping. Some fish can swim extremely fast. For example, tuna can reach speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour. Some other types of fish can change their color and pattern to help them blend into their surroundings and protect themselves from predators. Sharks, seahorses, and eels are all types of fish that do not have the common fish body shape. The largest fish found on Earth are certain shark species, the largest one being the whale shark that on average can grow up to 12 meters in length and can live up to 70 years old. One of the smallest fish on the planet is the dwarf pygmy goby, which measures approximately 9 millimeters in length.